indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Wilmington, Newark, Pennsville, Carneys Point, Ellesmere, Newcastle, Haines Grove, Newport, Martin, Stanton, Wilmington Manor, and Pike Creeks. This includes the following highways: Interstate 95 in Delaware between mile markers 1 and 23. Turn around, don't drive when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles